Why are we so afraid of everything that is new? We often leave things as they are, even though it can be refreshing to try something new and unknown. Why is this so difficult? And how do you do that? Change your habits. By drawing a model of your comfort zone, you realize which things are easy for you, which things give you energy, and what can be challenging. You can also see what you are not ready to do yet. When you fill out this little comfort zone model, you put all the things that are easy for you, and of course the ones you like doing, in the middle circle. This is your comfort zone. In the larger circle around it, you put situations that you can manage, but are sometimes difficult. You do these things, but they can give you an uneasy feeling. In the outer ring, you put activities that you are not yet ready to do. You are kind of afraid of doing these things. Keep in mind that all of these circles are in constant movement. As soon as you try something new, the circles in the middle will expand. Your comfort zone can also shrink if you stop pushing your boundaries. It is a fun thing to do. Fill out your comfort zone right now and have a look again in a few weeks. You will understand much better whether you've progressed or not. Below is a small model from us. You can use the empty one, which is available for download in the video description, or you can simply draw one in your notebook. Notes on your comfort zone. Write down what you want to do differently in the future, or what you would have handled differently looking back. Which small new things do you want to integrate in your life every day? Think about taking a different way to work, or taking a walk around the block in your area. You can sit down at a different spot at the dinner table, or use your opposite hand for brushing your teeth. Which day next week will you try out these changes? Is there a whole area in your life where you want to do things differently? Which one is it? When and how could you implement this? Looking back at the last 5 years, are there things you would like to change? Are there things that you tried changing already, but somehow it didn't work? Do you think you could change these old tasks today? If money didn't matter, what would you change? What things would you like to learn in the coming years? What do you want to do differently from tomorrow onward?